So hello all, good evening. Welcome to today's market. So as we can see, today's market was also more or less flat to negative, and after two consecutive days of sell-off, the markets kind of paused today. Took a pause, as you can see, on the lower range, and just consolidated. It gave both a bidirectional, moves on both the sides, and so overall, as you can see, the market in fact opened flat today. It was in minor green. Nifty was flat. So the moment it opened, we got a good bounce on both the indices, and then post that there was a good rejection, at the earlier swing level at Nifty first, and then the price broke through previous day low, and as you can see, it broke the previous day low swing, but it stopped at this particular point. Now it's very simple, right? Whenever price stops and turns at a particular point, you just have to look at the price, closely why it is stopping. So that will give a lot of lessons, going forward. So for example, if you have to mark something like this swing low at this point as the stoppage point, a rejection point, you can call it, and try to look left, you will find that this particular level, what I just marked, was the earlier resistance before the price broke out. So let me just show that level again. So as you can see here that uh, the price, it stopped at this particular point, which is around 19,700 odd levels, right? So this was a rejection point earlier, and the price consolidated, and it gave a breakout of this level on 7th of September, right? So on 7th of September, it was a good trending market. So on a trending day, it was a consolidation and breakout kind of structure. So that is where exactly the price halted. So this is a traditional price action concept, where once the price breaks any particular level, right? So this particular, assume that this is a level. So whenever price comes back to this level, it is generally expected that this level would act as a support. So that's what just happened today at this particular point of time. So that is the simple price action, and if you find such reasons, then you can go long also. That's the point. Of course, intraday price action, you can go inside the time frames and find out that there were further consolidation and breakout which happened at this level around 10:20 a.m. So but broadly speaking, this was the overall price move, and then as the price headed upwards, as you can see, whenever a price breaks a level on a like this, it generally bounces from same level, because this whatever breakdown, it will trigger a fake breakdown kind of a setup, and then the price heads back sharply. So this is the general price behavior. And again, price as it approached the previous swing, you can see that it faced rejection, and it headed backwards towards the same. So basically, price just oscillated. Again, this particular swing confirmed that the market is still on a sell on rise sentiment. As it went high, it found resistance at the top. So sell on rise sentiment is currently there in the market, and pressure is being put on the downward, towards the downward side. So this was about Nifty. And coming to Bank Nifty, as I mentioned in the thumbnail, that there was open is equal to low on the open is equal to low on the Bank Nifty's index future. So that was a strong opening bias. You can say that the market will not have so much negativity today. That is one bias which we can have. But if it breaks this level decisively, then you can obviously negate that bias. But till the price action breaks this open is equal to low level with a strong proper price action, consolidation, breakdown kind of thing, the market would generally remain positive. That's the bias which this is given. And open is equal to low is happening at a PDL, right? So that's also a support kind of thing. And Bank Nifty bounced from the previous day lower level, and it headed upward. So as we saw, Nifty had a swing low, but Bank Nifty just bounced from the previous day low itself. So generally, if you observe the swing highs where the price can generally stop, is one yesterday's this was yesterday's breakdown, right? So it price consolidated here and it broke down. So it was around the same zone. You can say that the price stopped, and it just reversed from there. So it was this consolidation further in the middle part of it, and again a breakdown towards the previous day low. These were popular, I think, the common trades which one could have taken today on the bounce from the PDL and the consolidation and breakdown. Of course, the target is very small till the previous day low, and a price close somewhere near the previous day low. So that was about Bank Nifty. Overall, you can see that the HDFC Bank still has a lot of pressure on it. So it is 1.35% down. Again, the largest heavyweight. So the pressure opposed the management's commentary. It has also, even as you can see, gone below the previous monthly low levels today. So it's trading below previous month's close, previous month's low, as well as previous weekly low. So generally this is very negative when price is trading above such crucial levels. So it's very clear, since the management commentary was very negative, the price has automatically reacted to that. So this was about HDFC Bank. But overall, if you see that the markets, other broad indices were pretty much flat. Small cap index was minor green, mid cap was 0.1%, 0.11%, so 0.2%. So all these is indicating that market was largely flat, but the VIX was also down. So yeah, I mean, the SBI yesterday, it actually returned gained 1.7% I see after yesterday's loss. So that's it for today's overall price action and market trading. Hope it was helpful. Thank you.